Got the old 9030 in here. Versatile tractor. We use it as a log loader. And doing a little repair job. The oil cooler sprung a leak. So I got the oil drain down below the core. And the core is so crusty. Like it's pretty sad looking. And we're gonna JB weld it. And right there I got the fin out and I got JB weld on it. And you guys are probably gonna say, oh, that's not gonna work and all this. Well, those of you that can see right here, that's the JB weld, which is actually dripping off of that one. Well, that was about 3 years ago. And that side of the cooler, dry as a bone. So we're gonna hope for the best on this side here. And yeah, we had the old tractor in here doing some repairs today. New heater inside the cab. And oil change, changed all the differential oils. Some have water in them. And just doing a little bit of service work. We use this, we got all the controls inside the cab. It's quite a unit. This old tractor, I've had it for 4 years and we've put almost 10,000 hours on it in that time frame. And probably should maybe change these fuel filters. They've got exactly 14,000 hours on those fuel filters. And that's what the tractor has. Never had an issue. Probably should change them though. Anyways, I'm out. Gotta work on my JB welding here. And hope for the best. Like and subscribe. We're gonna do a lot of repair videos. And we get a lot of breakdowns and repairs and whatnot. We have quite a bit of equipment. And there we go. We got the vacuum up here too. And we're creating a suction inside the hydraulic lines while we were doing this. So that worked somewhat. And I also drained the oil down below that. That seemed to work better. So have a good night, guys.